Welcome back to our channel. The 2025 Ferrari 812 GTS is a machine that represents the pinnacle of open-top performance, a car that blends raw power with Italian craftsmanship to deliver an unparalleled driving experience. With a naturally aspirated V12 engine under the hood, this Grand Tour stays true to Ferrari's rich heritage of front-engine performance vehicles, delivering a symphony of power and precision that is becoming increasingly rare in the modern automotive world. This latest iteration of the 812 GTS refines everything that made its predecessor special while pushing boundaries even further. From its striking design to its exhilarating performance, every detail has been meticulously crafted to provide an unforgettable driving experience. The exterior design of the 2025 Ferrari 812 GTS is an evolution of Ferrari's aerodynamic philosophy, where every curve and vent serves a purpose. At the front, the sculpted hood features prominent air vents that not only enhance the aggressive look, but also aid in cooling the massive V12 engine. The sharp, angular LED headlights seamlessly integrate into the bodywork, giving the car a focused, almost predatory gaze. The redesigned front bumper optimizes airflow with an improved splitter that channels air efficiently to increase downforce and stability at high speeds. Every element of the front fascia is sculpted for both aesthetics and function, ensuring the car cuts through the air with minimal resistance while maintaining an aggressive road presence. The side profile of the 812 GTS reveals its Grand Tourer DNA, with long, flowing lines that emphasize speed and aerodynamics. The sculpted fenders and deep side air intakes contribute to cooling and engine efficiency, ensuring the V12 breathes freely, even under extreme conditions. The retractable hardtop seamlessly integrates into the design, allowing the car to retain a coupe-like silhouette when the roof is up. The lightweight alloy wheels wrapped in high-performance tires enhance grip and handling precision. The side skirts and aerodynamic enhancements reduce drag while maintaining Ferrari's signature balance of elegance and aggression. The retractable roof mechanism is designed to operate in just 14 seconds at speeds of up to 30 mph, allowing for an effortless transition between coupe and open-air driving. At the rear, Ferrari has refined the design with a more aggressive stance that complements the car's immense power. The quad circular taillights pay homage to Ferrari's classic designs, while modern LED technology ensures maximum visibility and a striking presence even in the dark. The rear diffuser has been redesigned to optimize airflow and enhance aerodynamic efficiency, contributing to improved downforce at high speeds. The dual twin exhaust system, positioned symmetrically, not only adds to the car's menacing appearance, but also amplifies the legendary V12 exhaust note. The active aerodynamics, including a subtle yet effective rear spoiler, work in harmony to keep the car stable when pushing it to its limits. Even with the roof down, the rear remains visually balanced, making it unmistakably a Ferrari masterpiece from every angle. Stepping into the cabin of the 2025 Ferrari 812 GTS is an experience that blends race-inspired minimalism with luxury craftsmanship. The interior is wrapped in premium materials with a combination of fine leather, carbon fiber, and brushed aluminum, creating an atmosphere of both sophistication and performance. The seats are ergonomically designed for maximum support, ensuring that the driver and passenger remain firmly in place even during high-speed cornering. Ferrari's signature digital instrument cluster provides a wealth of information at a glance, from speed and RPMs to real-time telemetry data. The infotainment system has been improved with a more intuitive interface, featuring wireless smartphone connectivity and an enhanced passenger-side display that allows the co-pilot to engage with the driving experience. The steering wheel remains one of the most distinctive elements of the interior, housing controls for everything from driving modes to turn signals. The Manettino dial allows the driver to seamlessly switch between various performance settings, adjusting traction control, suspension stiffness, and engine response. The carbon fiber paddle shifters provide a tactile and responsive feel, ensuring lightning-fast gear changes with every pull. Ferrari is also focused on refining the retractable hardtop mechanism, ensuring that wind noise and turbulence are minimized when driving with the top down. The interior layout prioritizes the driver, creating an immersive cockpit that enhances the connection between man and machine. Beneath the sculpted hood lies the beating heart of the 2025 Ferrari 812 GTS, a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine that screams to an astonishing 9,400 500 RPM, producing 830 horsepower and 692 Nm of torque. This powerhouse propels the car from 0 to 60 mph in just 2.8 seconds. With a top speed exceeding 211 mph, Ferrari has fine-tuned the chassis and suspension, incorporating rear-wheel steering for enhanced agility and cornering stability. The 7-speed dual-clutch transmission delivers seamless and lightning-fast shifts, allowing the driver to extract maximum performance with precision. Every aspect of the drivetrain has been engineered to provide an adrenaline-fueled experience, whether on the track or the open road. Today, handling remains razor-sharp thanks to Ferrari's advanced side-slip control system and an improved electronic differential. The car feels alive through every turn, responding instantly to driver inputs with a perfect balance of power and control. The revised suspension system ensures a comfortable ride when cruising, while instantly adapting to provide maximum grip and stability when pushing the limits. Ferrari's engineers have worked tirelessly to refine the car's aerodynamics and weight distribution, ensuring that it remains composed even under the most demanding driving conditions. The result is a driving experience that is both exhilarating and confidence-inspiring, making the 812 GTS one of the most engaging, open-top supercars ever built. Owning a car of this caliber comes with a significant investment. The 2025 Ferrari 812 GTS starts at approximately $425,000, but with a range of customization options including carbon fiber packages, bespoke interior finishes, and exclusive paint choices, the price can easily exceed $500,000. This is a car for enthusiasts and collectors who appreciate the raw emotion of a naturally aspirated V12 and the exclusivity that comes with owning a Ferrari masterpiece. While the price is steep, the experience of driving an 812 GTS is truly priceless, offering an unmatched combination of power, luxury, and open-top freedom. For those considering the 812 GTS, it's important to understand what this car represents. It's not just a luxury grand tour, it's a high-performance machine that demands respect and skill behind the wheel. If you're looking for a relaxed and comfortable convertible, this might not be the ideal choice. However, if you crave pure, unfiltered performance with the added thrill of open-air driving, the 812 GTS stands in a league of its own. It's a car that engages all the senses, delivering an unforgettable experience with every drive. The 2025 Ferrari 812 GTS isn't just a car, it's a statement. It embodies the spirit of Ferrari's legacy, while embracing the future of high-performance motoring. With its breathtaking design, mind-blowing performance, and open-top exhilaration, it remains one of the most desirable supercars on the planet. If you ever get the chance to drive one, cherish every moment, because this could very well be one of the last naturally aspirated V12 Ferraris ever produced. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Ferrari 812 GTS, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more high-performance car reviews. Let me know in the comments what you think about this beast. Would you choose this over its rivals? Until next time, keep chasing the thrill, and I'll see you in the next one.